Toilet training part 1. This is a preparation stage for age 15 months onwards. Your child must be walking and able to climb steps. Start by being a role model for your child. Let them see you use the toilet and wash your hands. Children need the vocabulary, so teach them the words pee pee, poo and toilet. Buy a family toilet seat that folds up and down and practice using once or twice a day. Buy a 2-step with side handles to climb up to the toilet and sink. The link to the step and toilet seat are in the bio for Amazon delivery. Before purchasing the toilet seat, please make sure you measure your current toilet, as there's different sizes on the market. Toilet training is a gradual process. Start by putting your child in pull-ups. Teach them how to pull them up and down. I highly recommend Mama Bear pull-ups from Amazon. They're super soft with cute Disney designs. They work very well for leak protection. Enjoy just getting them delivered straight from Amazon. It's so much easier than going to the shop and being disappointed when they don't have your child's size in stock. This video is part 1 in the toilet training series. Be sure to subscribe to my channel at One Nanny Heather on Instagram and YouTube for more videos to come.